Dive right into your American dream with a home perched in the middle of the most spirited city in the world, New York. Introducing you to Manhattan Columbus Home, your home away from home. Nestled in W101st Street, they offer several types of comfortable private rooms. Imagine sleeping in a peaceful room surrounded by the most bustling crowd in the world. There's a study desk and wardrobe and a window to illuminate it all with sunlight. Cook with your homies in the fully equipped kitchen, take a rainfall shower whenever you want to, watch TV, and work from home without facing buffers and stressing about your laundry and extra expenses, as the high-speed Wi-Fi is free along with all utilities. Sounds just like a dream, doesn't it? You've got it right. It is a dream come true when your home is just a few minutes away from college. With a short bus ride, you could attend your classes at Columbia University. An 11 to 12-minute drive takes you to the Julliard School and City College of New York. Satisfy your foodie soul and unleash your party animals on weekends just across the street, where a haven of restaurants, bars, and pubs waits for you. Get a bus down the street from 3 bus stops standing a few blocks away. Everything you need is right here, and all that is missing is you. So don't wait. Book your home today at amberstudent.com.